My name is Sunny and this is George, and we'd like to extend a warm Palm Springs greeting to you, our friends from CAHF.
Hello, we're so pleased to kick off CAHF's 2020 Virtual Happy Hour.
Welcome! Your friends at the Palm Springs Convention Center are missing you this year, and we wanted to remind you how much you've meant to us over the years.
When thinking about how we could participate in your virtual convention, we thought a light cocktail made with local ingredients might be a great way to remind you of Palm Springs. We decided on a Prickly Pear Margarita because it's pretty and pink. And it has prickly pear in it, which is indigenous to our desert.
It's also not difficult to make, so maybe you'd like to make it along with us at home. This is going to be a quick little how-to video, so here's the ingredients. While George is getting that going, I should point out that we have already salted the margarita glass with mint-flavored salt crystals, which is a fun thing we can get around here. But for those of you following along at home, the classic mixture of sea salt and raw sugar would work just as well.
We must first understand how to peel and muddle this prickly pear. Down here you can barely see them, but they're very tiny little pricks. So you might get stung or you might not feel it till later on. So make sure you have something that protects you.
And if you can't get fresh prickly pears where you are, there's always prickly pear syrup, which you can pick up at Walmart, Bevmo, Total Wine & More, or other places online. Here's a little trivia on this desert miracle fruit. Prickly pears are the fruit of the prickly pear cactus, which is known as nopales in Spanish. Prickly pear cactus is native to the Americas and can be found in abundance in the deserts of the Southwest, that's us.
Yes, it is.
And Mexico and the Caribbean. It was considered sacred by the ancient Aztecs. And now we can eat it, drink it, and even use it in medicines and shampoos.
And cocktail. Now that this is all muddled, as you can see, I have a full lemon and 1/2 of a lime that we're gonna put in. But you put the whole lime unless you really want to. So it all works the same. Then we do 1 shot of agave. One tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequilas, and that's all.
We haven't even drank it yet. When learning about the prickly pear cactus, we were pleasantly surprised to find that since 2015, a Mexican company called Nopalemex has been making biofuel from it, and they call it green gold.
We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit some ice in it, and we're gonna shake, shake, shake. Bring out a little margarita here.
Ooh.
Margarita glass.
Pretty.
Get every drop. So this would be for the garnish.
And there you have it, the Savory's Prickly Pear Margarita. Delish. All right, here's to all of you, wherever you're weathering these strange times.
We sure are looking forward to having you back in 2021. Here's to CAHF.
Cheers.
Cheers.